Hello, welcome to my channel. Here is unboxing digital multimeter. This is VC197 model of Victor. And you can see the box of it.
There's no place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need.
That is what they have. There is a prop that goes to the multimeter to test like voltage, AC or DC, megahertz, and capacitor like this test, or amp, and we can see that can above 100 volt really easily, and this prop is for cat company. And here is the end of it. It is high quality. I love it so much. Here's another prop of it. This is for the positive, and it's for cat too. This is the prop for testing temperature and knowing how much temperature we have. It's like this. Here's the end of it and the sensor of it. There is a high quality at this, and I love it because the high quality on this multimeter. And you can see the arm of Victor VC197. At the top of it there is a hold, rel, range and select key. There is a turner of it and all the measuring of it, and there is 2 off key. Here is the multi-function for testing the transistors and capacitors on it, or the LEDs. And here you can see it's on the millivolt, and I measuring the millivolt of it, and it's above -29, means there is a positive and negative not right. I put it at the AC voltage. AC voltage is like the you use at your home, and put something like lamps and your things on. Means AC voltage means the voltage that is have a frequency, and it's at the cities are different. Like in Europe, it's above 215 volt. Here you can see the com and voltage, megahertz, or diode, buzzer, and capture, temperature, props that are going. The back of this multimeter has a stand for standing it and seeing it don't put on your hand. Here is a battery that is AAA, and I tested it's 1.5 point, it's 1.5 volts, and it's the voltage of it. Means this is the new, and it's not crashed, and it works. That you can see it at my multimeter. I try to put the stand, but it's hard, and there's an LED on it that when you press the hold for like 2 seconds or 3 seconds, it turn on, and you can see the numbers at the night. And I hold it that you can see it's stop, and it's 1.565. Then you can see, and the hold is at the up was turned on, and it's auto, and you doesn't need to put it to measuring it, and the no autos are hard to work on it, but the autos are really easy to work with. Okay, let's test the one. Oh, here's the measuring that you can see. This resistor have an above 10 ohm has, and because it's fused, because this is, it has a low ohm. And another resistor that I made by myself, because the high current, actually you can see it's 295 kilo ohm, 2097 kilo ohm. That I hold it so you can see. You can see the hold was turned on, and it say 3054 ohm. I put it at the diode tester. What is the diode tester? That is testing the diode, like the LED or emitting emitted diode, or the diode like Zener diode. You can test it with the testing the diode. If there is a LED, it's turned on when you put the negative to the negative leg, or cathode leg, and anode leg to the positive. Here's another test that is bizarre, that when you put together that are bees like this. It's used for like testing not higher than 15 kilo. Here's one polyester diode that is for the high voltage, and you can see it at the generators or the adapters that are saving the energy. This is no polarized, means no positive and negative, that are for the AC voltage. We have the polarized too. Here's I tested, it's above 9,506 nanofarads. That we can look to the props to know having problem at the test of it. That you can see 956.9, and if I bring it, turn on the light, and 9.57 nanofards means 9,507 nanofards. That I draw a capture at the board that you can see at the schematics. We use that. Here's an amp tester. Oh, hertz. I put it at the hertz, and in the so much countries the live wire and the wires that are also like turning on the lamp that are 220 volt AC that are 15 hertz, 15 to 16 hertz. And because this we cannot see the lamps, there are so much switching, because it's not possible to see with the eyes of the because we can see the high hertz and high switchings. Here's that I draw AC voltage, and I think it's 15 hertz, and I put it at the multimeter that you can see. Here's the HFE or testing transistor. Here's the function of it, multifunction of it, and that is you put at the multimeter and you can test the transistor. Here's the HFD name above com and milliampere that you can see. Here is it. And when you put this and put the transistor on it, you only see the negative and positive before you put it on the multimeter. And I bring it right because I see it. And you can see the negative, positive, NPN, PNP, collector, emitter, and base. That you put the transistor on it and seeing the what is the data sheet, and it's right now. Here's the multimeter has a thermometer that is on it for the sense, you can put the sensor on it at the temp and calm, and you can measure the how much temperature we have at the home or room that you have, or put the sensor on it. Here's the sensor, and it's so much a little, and you can see the temp was going up when I put my hand on it because my hand is warm. And you can see when I put it the water or put it on the ice, it goes down, or I blowing on it, it goes down. And then when I put my hand, it goes up. It goes 13 degrees of centigrade or Celsius. Okay, next is the microampere. That is put at the milliampere. Okay, and here's the microampere, milliampere, and ampere. The microampere was put the milliampere positive, and the negative at the negative. That is fuse 15 milliampere. But at the 10 amp max or 10 amp mode, that is for the 10 amp. The why is so much good at the amp is that is say this is dangerous and don't put it at the above 3 seconds or 10 seconds. And if you put the higher than seconds, the fuse was pop up. And if you doesn't lucky, the chip was pop up. If the chip pop up, it goes away. And you can see the ampere of this battery is NIM 5 of 10 milliamp or amp. So when I test it, at the milliampere, it's above 3041 milliamp. Okay, and it's off this like this, and I put it at the bezier tester that is busy on voltage DC tester. What is the hold to the first? If you bring it for the 3 seconds, the backlight was open. What is the real do is measuring how much difference of two things. What is the range do means no auto. When you put it, you got the no auto multimeter. And if you want to go auto, only put it and press the K for the about 5 seconds. 3 or 4 seconds. What the hertz and duty do? When you put the hertz duty or select, you got the duty of the hertz. Or if you're at the centigrade, you got the Fahrenheit of it. Okay, let's. Okay, if you like my video, please subscribe, like, and share with your friends if they love this video to help me making the better video and end.